In assignment 7, we are going to be looking at how to find multiple instances of a substring inside a string. Alright, so the example string given in the question is I am who I am. Alright, so I'm just going to do a print of this string here. At the same time, I also will do a print of the in string dot find. Alright, so let's run this code here. So you can see that the first print prints out the entire string, and the next print, which is to find the substring m, prints out a value of 2. Okay, from our earlier videos, all right, on learning about strings, we know that the find gives us the index of the first occurrence of this substring inside this main string. All right, so you can see that I starts from index 0, the space is index 1, and the m is starting from index 2. Okay, so that is why I have a 2 over here. All right, but after that there is another m over here which this find does not locate. All right, because it stops the moment it sees the first occurrence of m. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to expand on this to find all the occurrences of m inside this string. Okay, to do that we are going to make use of a loop. All right, now the first thing is I'm going to create this variable called start equals to 0, and I'm going to put in a while loop. Okay, while, okay, in string dot find m. All right, but now I'm going to put in another parameter for the find, which is start. All right, now previously when we used the find, we did not put in any other parameter except the substring that you wanted to find. All right, so what does this do? It starts automatically from index 0. Right now I'm putting in a variable called start, which is also 0, and I'm specifically saying that I want to start from index 0. All right, so why do we need to use this start? Okay, I'll show you in a bit. All right, now this loop must stop, all right, the moment I have completed the entire string. Correct, so while not equals to -1. Okay, so this find will continuously go through all iterations or all the characters until it reaches the end of the string. Okay, and while it is not equals to -1. All right, so the moment it is a -1 and it is reached the end of the string, then it will exit the loop. All right, -1, as you know from the earlier video, is the result you get when you are not able to find this substring from a particular index. All right, so I'll start from 0. All right, but then what will happen is I will keep on incrementing, okay, automatically. Okay, so that from the start I will keep on incrementing, okay, each time the loop is going through each iteration. Now what I want to do is, if it is not equals to -1, that means I've actually found this string. Correct, I found this m inside this main string. So what I can do is I can actually print, okay, the index. So I can say in string dot find m start. All right, now what does this do for us? You can see that I'll only come inside here when this find is successful. That means it is not equals to -1. Correct, so if the find is successful, this print will actually print out the index where the m first has been found within this main string here. Right, now as you can see, this so far seems very similar to just writing this one line over here. Correct, but the significance is the starting index, because now what I'm going to do is, if I have found the occurrence of m inside this string, I want to move my starting index. Okay, I want to move my starting index to 2 characters away. So if you remember, the first time I find it is in index 2. So it's here. So 2 characters away means 3 and 4. Alright, because M is 2 characters. Right, A and M. So I want to move 2 characters away to start or to carry on with the search. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say start is equals to in string dot find M from start again plus 2. Okay, so as you can see, what happens here is I will first start to find for the occurrence of M inside the string in string from the starting index of 0. Okay, the moment I find the first occurrence, it will not be equals to -1 because it will be a valid number here. So I will print out that number, and what I will do is the starting index will then be incremented by 2, and then I go back and start to look for the next occurrence of this M. Alright, so this is a big difference from here, because if I just put find, the moment it finds the first occurrence of M, alright, it will stop. Correct, so that is why you only print out 2. Whereas over here, after I find the first occurrence, I will increment my starting index by 2 and continue again because it is in a loop until I reach the end of the string. Alright, so let's see this here. Save, let me run it. Let me just see what is it here. Okay, so I put an additional bracket here. Okay, so that part is done. Let me run it. Okay, so as you can see here, right, maybe I will remove this code here just so that we do not get confused. Okay, let me run it one more time. Okay, so this is what we have. So as you can see, this is the string, and the very first time that I do a print of the occurrence of M is 2. Alright, and after that I increment my index by 2, so it moves on to 4. So from this white space I start to find again, and the next occurrence is at index 11. So let's just count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So at index 11 is the next occurrence of the substring M. Okay, so I hope this assignment has given you an idea how string functionalities can also be integrated with loops, okay, to extend their capabilities. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.